Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today we will see a shell script to monitor disk space utilization and send email. It will send an email alert when the disk space crosses the predefined thresholds. So as you know, when the disk space reaches critically low levels, it can lead to system crashes, data corruption, and some other serious issues. So that's why we will implement the shell script to monitor disk space and receive email alerts when the threshold value will be exceeded, and it is essential for maintaining the system reliability and availability. So first, let's see the prerequisites. You should have an AWS account with Ubuntu 24.04 ES2 instance of and running. Then you should have a basic knowledge of shell scripting. So let's move on with the practical. Our first step is generate the app password. So to generate the app password, first we will go to Google account. Search for Google account. Go to the Google account and in the search bar, search for the app passwords. Now here, enter your Google account password to verify it's you. Here, enter the app name for which you wanted to get the app password. So type this is alert and click on save. Now our app password is generated. So let's copy and save it somewhere like notes, notepad. We'll be using it in our shell script. So copy it correctly. Now after generating their password, let's create a file in Ubuntu. Here we will write our shell script. For that, command is nano disk space underscore alert.sh. Disk space alert.sh file is created. In that file, we will write a script to monitor the disk space utilization and send email alerts. So this is the script. Let's copy it and paste it. So first, as you can see, is our shebang line, which tells which interpreter we'll be using, which is bash. Then next section is the function to check the disk space. This function, which is check disk space, checks the disk space utilization by using the df-h command to get the information about the root file system. This will get the available disk space in percentage. Then the threshold for disk space utilization, you can adjust it as needed. Here we have set it to 25, which means as soon as the disk space is utilized about 25%, it will send an error. You can change to it 80, 90, but for this practical, we are setting it to 25%. And next, it will check if the disk space exceeds the threshold. If the disk space exceeds the threshold, the function will return the 1, indicating that disk space is critically low. Otherwise, it returns to 0, indicating the disk space is normal. Then next section written here is function to send email. This function sends an email alert using the Gmail's SMTP server. Here we have defined the variables for the sender's email address, then the receiver's email address. I'll be sending mail to my own email address for this practical. You can give the different mail ID here in the receiver. Then the Google app password. So here we will write our Google app password, which we have generated recently, and copy it to the notepad. Let's copy. Let's see. Then the subject is display server here, and in the body of the email there is a message. It will give a message which is this space is capital low. Please take the necessary action. Then the next section is sending email using the curl. The email is sent using the curl. We can provide a parameter. This response from the server is captured in the response variable here. And if the email is sent successfully, it will print the email sent successfully, or else it will print the fail to send the email. Then next is our main script. The check disk space function is called to determine if the disk space is critically low, and if the return value of the check disk space is 1, then it indicates the critically low disk space, and the send email function is called to send an email alert. So let's save the script. After creating the shell script, our next step is make file executable. So for that, we will change the permission to make it executable using the chmod command. Let's copy and paste it. We will change the file permission and make it executable. After this, we will run the script. So let's run the script. Copy this command and paste it. As you can see, the email is not sent because obviously the disk space is not exceeded the threshold value. So let's try to fix it. Here I am setting the threshold for 15. Let's save it. Now run the script. As you can see, since our disk space threshold is exceeded, it has sent the email, and you also get the message email sent successfully. So let's verify if we receive the email or not. Go to your email ID. As you can see, this space alert, we have received the email successfully, and the message is also printed here. This space is critically low. Please take the necessary actions. So today guys, we have learned how to create a shell script to monitor the space utilization and send the email alerts. It will send the alerts when the threshold value is exceeded. We can create a robust solution to monitor the disk space to ensuring that sustained reliability, and automating these email alerts adds an extra layer of proactive monitoring, which enables the administrator to address the potential issues quickly and minimize the downtime. And the steps which we have seen today, with these steps, it will make it easy to monitor the space and sending the email alerts for the system administrators, which will also enhance the stability and performance of the system. With the help of this, we can stay ahead of the potential storage related challenges, like by increasing the storage or whatever the storage minimization techniques we use. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.